There are multiple factors for Ghana's ability to overcome the threat of electoral crisis. I would include in that list the crucial role of the judiciary in dispensing electoral justice, the propensity of the judiciary to fiercely protect the constitutional right to vote and enforce transparency, accountability, and the rule of law in the electoral process. If we don't have that, that means people are going to go onto the streets to resolve their issues, which is not an option. I guess this statement brings to the fore the tension between the advocates of judicial activism and scholars of the legal process theory, which will be a discussion for another day. But is everything rosy, hunky, and dory? Maybe this is where I get into trouble, but it has to be said. Not at all. The Afrobarometer survey I cited earlier suggests that all is not well. In addition, some recent actions of the Electoral Commission and decisions of the courts should give all of us cause for concern. And let me just mention a few. The previous speaker talked about the fact that a sizable group of people should not be deprived of their right to vote or their representation for a long time. I'll go directly to the case, which is the electoral crisis of Santro Kofi, Akpafu, Likpe, and Lulubi, popularly called SAL. It will be recalled that the Electoral Commission, through a press release published on the eve of the December 7, 2020 elections, directed the people of SAL not to vote in the parliamentary elections. However, they were allowed to vote in the presidential elections in the Buim constituency. To date, the people of SAL remain unrepresented, which is a clear violation of the Constitution and the right of the people of SAL to vote and have representation in the 8th Parliament. This is not just a cardinal sin, as aptly described by Professor Kweku Asare. It is a tragedy. It is tragic that this should happen in our modern democracy and we are all just looking on, nothing is happening. I do not see how the creation of the Guan constituency to take effect in this 8th Parliament could in any way be a breach of Article 47 of the 1992 Constitution, when this predicament the people find themselves in has arisen because of a string of mistakes and omissions by state actors.